just three notes move through space, the space of their key. Just basic chords, triads they're called. Three notes is all, think of the white keys on a piano with a space in between these three notes. Hear them rise through the ivories. Reveal the song, reveal what's in my soul. Extra notes only add color, they add a different feel. Same three strings beneath my fingers, sliding up through different light. Every shape becomes a doorway, every color changes the night. Scholars write it down, trying to explain the magic of music, but the soul already knows words don't do it justice. Language was never enough. When we were young, we didn't overthink it. Carries everything home. Some music moves us without saying a thing. Notes carry a message, like a message from home, and expressly for you, that only you can decode. Some music moves us without saying a thing. Scholars write it down, trying to explain the magic of music, but the soul already knows words don't do it justice. Language was never enough. Keep carrying me away to that magic world. There's something beautiful when just three notes move through space, the space of their key.